Now let's look at ECOMILL's low-capacity grain mill, which is a perfect fit for a bakery. In this model, ECOMILL engineers decided to use new generation screw conveyors instead of air-operated transfer of grinding products. Due to the screw conveyors, not only the products are effectively transferred between the systems, but also total flour yield is increased. Besides, low-capacity grinders are equipped with conventional, reliable roller mills comprising a complete grinding line, perfectly combined with the sieving system. This user-friendly equipment makes it possible even for beginners to convert grain to flour with excellent baking properties.